You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved.
How are you today?
Good.
Hang your tag on your rear view mirror. Okay. You're going to stay in the left lane.
Do I keep these or no?
Huh?
Do I keep this or no?
You're going to hang it up on your mirror?
No, I was saying, do I keep it for like a next visit or no?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
On your next visit, we'll scan your pass and give you a different one.
All right,
or
cool.
whatever color the day is.
All right, thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
Alright guys, what's going on? Angelo here, and we are now at Busch Gardens. Finally, I've been trying to get to this park for the past 2 years now. I actually just got the membership. I'm about to head into the park now and ride up on these things, so I'll come back to you guys in just a little bit though. Yeah, so it looks so great in this park already. Like I said, I'm heading into the actual entrance now, and what happened? It took a little while because there was a lot of people entering. I literally just got here at like 12:30, so I'll be here in just a little bit. I'll be in the park in just a little bit, so yeah. Wow. So we are finally inside. They didn't take long at all just to get me into the park, but what took the longest is probably actually getting into the real entrance, like with the cars and everything. But wow, this place looks so good. It's so amazing. Every time I come here, it just blows my mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over probably to Apollo first, and then I'll see where else I'll go after that. So yeah. So I guess the good thing is that I can come back here and just come one day, maybe for like pictures or something. That's the Pompeii ride over there. And yeah, I won't be riding that today. It's not really that hot outside. It feels really good. I guess you could say it's decently packed. I mean, I wouldn't know. But this is the Pompeii ride. I've actually never ridden this. Always wanted to, but never rode that here. I think the last time I came, it was like the line was mad long, so. But it looks really fun though. So, like I said, we're gonna head over to Apollo's and probably Tempesto after that. And I'll get some footage, get some more ride videos, because you know, they actually allow that here, so yeah. Okay, so that's the Tempesto ride, and I know Apollo's literally right beside it. That's what I definitely remember that. But yeah, I definitely will come back for sure to just come here for pictures, because this park is just so beautiful. And obviously I'll get the all-day lockers, of course. That's basically the best option you can do. And yeah, let's go ahead and ride. Okay, so I was able to ride Apollo. Line was the longest forever, and I forgot to get my like card that allows you to film. I forgot to get the card at like guest services when I walked in, so I was waiting like 20 extra minutes for that right at the entrance. I probably could have just walked back, but I didn't want to. That's like the Battering Ram ride. They are screaming like crazy on this thing. But yeah, so we're gonna head over to Germany now, and I'm gonna definitely try to ride Verboten, of course. I love that ride. But Apollo's fun. Tempesto's line is way too long, so I'll probably ride that maybe like another time during the weekday or something. And I'll come back to you guys in just a little bit. The theming is so well put together. It's like just crazy. I mean, everything just fits really well. The transitions into the new area are really good. This is Italy, I'm pretty sure. So much calmer over here. Very nice park, very nice. guess I might ride this really quick. I don't think you need a locker for this area, for that ride, but I'll see. Verboten's line is not too long, which is actually surprising because Apollo's was crazy. Finnegan's flyer is apparently testing right now, so I definitely want to check that out soon. But yeah.
Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
Let's see, are we actually gonna go? Yes, we are, yes. They're only running 3 trains, that's why. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I love this ride. Here we go. So I forgot that Busch Gardens has the sky ride and the train. That's crazy. They have both of them. That's so wild. I wish Kings of Mean had that. But I'm heading over to Finnegan's flyer now. I decided to try to go ahead and get this soft opening ride so I can get that POV for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna head over there now. Okay, so here it is, you guys. This is Finnegan's flyer. It's definitely testing already. I'm so excited. I really am gonna try to get on this. I don't know if these are the people in line. Wait, are you guys in the line for this or no?
No,
okay,
I don't
okay,
think so.
okay, cool. All right. There it goes, guys. Wow. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. So like I said, guys, she doesn't know the time yet, but they are supposed to do a soft opening soon. Yeah. So that's what the ride looks like. It looks really good over here. So this is Battle for Ire. It looks pretty cool. Outside looks really good. This whole area just looks really good, obviously. But I don't think I'm really gonna ride this. It's not really for me. I mean, I like VR rides, but I don't know. I'm gonna head over to Griffon now and Loch Ness and whatnot and try to get those out the way. It's not crazy packed in the park. Right here in Ireland, it feels really calm and whatnot. Apollo probably was the longest line so far, but the operations are really good. So I'll definitely try to get back over to Finnegan's flyer. Sadly, it's only for employees right now where they have it open. So I'll be back in a little bit for that. Oh, finally I get to ride this again. It's been so long. I've been waiting to ride this for a long time. I haven't ridden it in 2 years. So we'll see how it is. I've never even ridden like the back row of this. I guess we can go ahead and watch it drop now since it's about to. So yeah. There it goes. Holy crap. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yo, so I rode Griffon finally. That was wonderful. I love that ride. It is so freaking fun. I'm about to try to ride Invader now, and I want to do back row of Invader because I did front row a while back, but I need to try the back row on this. So yeah. Yeah, today is gonna be mainly POVs again because I need to refilm a lot, and I guess the next time I come back here I'm gonna get a bunch of pictures. But yeah, gotta find the locker area. All right, so I paid for quick queue. I couldn't take it anymore, you guys. The lines were getting a little crazy here, so I'm gonna go ahead and ride Invader. Like, I know it's not really worth the quick queue, but I just don't feel like sitting in that hour-long line because that's not worth the wait. So it was only like $10 for literally one quick queue. I like that they do that here, where you can just pay for one fast pass basically. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and ride and get front and back row since I might as well do it. But yeah, all right. So I'm gonna ride this and we'll head on and do some other stuff after this. I might do Loch Ness probably after this. So yeah. Let me tell y'all, Invader has gotten a little crazy lately. Very smooth, still had airtime and everything, loved it. But started speeding up like a lot at the end. But overall, it was a good ride. That fast lane was way worth it for sure. And now I'm about to go ahead and leave and go to another ride. It's time to do Alpen, guys. After, well, the first ride I had was really not all that. And I'm gonna do front row this time because when I did back row, I was pretty disappointed. So we're gonna ride Alpen, guys. And yeah, overall it's a pretty good day. I like that they don't really play a bunch of this copyrighted music. They play really decent music here. Overall, I just love this park. The theming is amazing and everything. So yeah. Alright, so Alpen, guys. Alpen, guys, is good. What else? I will say though, the MCBR, the mid-course Raycron, was absolutely horrible. That thing almost came to a complete stop. So other than that though, the ride was good. I didn't have any problems. Probably the smoothest ride I've ever had. It was really good in the front. Definitely worth the wait. I'm gonna try to head over to probably Loch Ness. Yep, it's right over here actually. So I'll head over to Loch Ness now. And I don't know, I guess, what is the other ride here? I'm missing a ride, I know I am. I'll figure out later on. So I'm not showing my face so much, but it's mainly because I'm just trying to get as much footage as possible. I want you guys to see how like nice the park is, so yeah. Alright guys, I know you ain't seen my face in a minute, but basically right now I'm at Apollo's again, and I've ridden everything, actually I've ridden everything. I just finished getting off at Tempesto, and I also did, what else? I did Invader, I did Alpen, guys, I also did Griffon and whatnot. I did everything here. All the operations are really good today. It's not really as packed anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride this again. Like I said, the operations are good. And after that, I'll try to ride Finnegan's Flyer and I'll like get something to eat and head out after that. All right, so Strike Apollo, I had to leave because they're literally soft opening right now. And I already know people that are riding it. People are DMing me on Instagram. So I'm heading over there ASAP. As you can see, I am moving right now. I gotta get all the way back over to Ireland for crying out loud. And I'm in freaking, I don't even know what area I was in. All right guys, so I made it in the line. We're just waiting now. The cycles are going pretty fast though, so I'll let you guys know what I think when I get off of the ride. All right, here we go guys, here we go. Yes, here we go. All right.
Yeah, they're gonna go inside the bin.
All right. I think I'm gonna do right in the middle, guys. Right here. Oh, so the lap bars are like this, you guys. They're really cool lap bars. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go, guys. Oh my goodness, my first ride. S&S Screamin Swing. Here we go. Yo.
Now hold on tight.
Oh crap. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh yeah. Wow. Whoa. This is so. Oh my gosh. I love it. Woo. Oh yeah. Woo. Yes. Okay guys, so Finnegans Flyer, that was amazing, you guys. That was an amazing ride. I love that. That was my first S&S Screamin Swing. I loved every bit of it. I will have the full POV coming ASAP. I'm gonna try to get that before obviously anyone else did, but seriously, that's an amazing ride. You guys are really gonna like it. This vlog will probably come out maybe a little bit later, probably like next week or next Saturday. And it's April 27, 2019 now. But yeah, so had a great day at the park. I'll be back really soon here. And yeah, that's basically it for today's vlog. I wanted to just end it off with that. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.
You break your back to make me feel again.